Welcome to Junior Painter. Let's start creating. Hi kids! Welcome back to our drawing time. Today, we are going to tell a beautiful story about Snow White and draw the main character of the story, Snow White. Are you ready? Let's get started. In a magical kingdom, there is a very special princess. She is the fairest of them all and her name is Snow White. Snow White has a lovely name, and today, we are going to draw this beautiful princess. First, we will draw the head of Snow White. Draw a round face shape with a slight curve at the top. Remember to draw her signature bow at the top. Next, we will give Snow White a cute facial expression. Draw two big round eyes with shiny little sparkles inside. Then, draw a small round nose and a smiling mouth to make her look very sweet. Now let's draw the hair of Snow White. From the top of her head, draw her short curly hair that curls at both sides, making her look very elegant. Then we need to draw the body and her beautiful dress. Extend a small oval shape from the bottom of her head as her body. Draw a gorgeous princess dress with layers like waves. Once we are done drawing, it's time to color. Use black for her hair, yellow for the bottom part of her dress, and blue for the top part with red accents to make our Snow White even more beautiful and charming. After we finish drawing Snow White, she is standing in the enchanted forest, smiling and waving to everyone. Every child loves her because she is not only beautiful but also very kind, often helping her forest friends. The forest becomes more wonderful and harmonious because of Snow White. Kids, do you like this beautiful Snow White? If you do, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Click the little bell so you won't miss any new drawing stories. Thank you for your support. See you next time.